Today I'll show you how to set up a softbox for your studio lighting. Start by taking the softbox out of its bag. It collapses for storage, so unfold it and set it on the floor with the rods pointing upward. Next, note the metal ring in the center. This is where the rods will lock into place. Pull each rod outward and upward until it clicks and becomes perpendicular to the ring. This creates the softbox signature dome shape. Once all rods are in place, use the Velcro flaps to cover the rod ends. This prevents any light from leaking out the back. Next, attach the Bowens mount adapter to the softbox. Simply line up the 3 pins on the softbox with the holes on the adapter and give it a slight twist to lock it in place. Slide the adapter into the front of the light. You'll notice there are 2 sets of notches. Use the ones closest to the front for the most secure fit. Finally, rotate the top hook back into place to lock everything in. Now, your softbox is securely attached and ready to use. And that's it. You're all set to shoot with beautiful, diffused light. Thanks for watching.